Holy shit, guys, this is bad. Gas stations in New Zealand and many other countries just ran out of fuel. European natural gas just doubled in 3 weeks, and Brent crude spiked past $118 a barrel today. This is no longer a Middle East problem. This is a global energy crisis unfolding in real time. And what happened in the last 48 hours just made it significantly worse. Israel stuck South Pars. That's the largest natural gas reserve on the planet. It holds enough gas to supply the entire world for 13 years. Iran and Qatar shared that field. It was the first time in this entire war that anyone hit an actual production source, not a pipeline, not a refinery. The source. Iran's response took hours. Missiles hit Ras Laffan in Qatar twice within 12 hours. That facility handles 20% of all global LNG exports. Qatar Energy reported extensive damage and fires across multiple sites. Then Iran hit additional LNG facilities overnight. Saudi Arabia intercepted drones heading for its own gas infrastructure. Now Trump posted on Truth Social that if Iran touches Qatar again, the US will massively blow up the entirety of South Pars gas field at a level of power Iran has never witnessed before. The escalation is going vertical. Now here's what's actually showing up in the data. European gas prices jumped 25% today alone. They have now more than doubled since before the war started. The Brent to WTI spread blew out to $10. Normally it sits around 2 to 5. That gap tells you the global oil market is splitting in two. Now here's what happens if this keeps escalating. If more production sites get hit and the strait stays closed, multiple analysts are flagging oil at $150 to $200 a barrel. Westpac put $200 on the table this week. That kind of oil price doesn't just raise gas prices, it rewires the entire economy. Central banks can't cut rates when energy is feeding into inflation, as Powell mentioned yesterday. No cuts means tighter conditions for longer. And that chokes every risk asset. Stocks, crypto, all of it. This situation is changing by the hour, and every development shifts the outlook for markets and crypto. The next few weeks could define the rest of this year. Follow so you see it as it happens.